Hi everyone, what's going on? I have the Samsung Galaxy S3 from T-Mobile, and I went ahead and unlocked it myself. It's pretty simple. Well, it's also rooted. To get it unlocked, it don't need to be rooted. But anyways, I got the 4G working. Go ahead and pause the video when I go ahead and start showing the APN settings. And I want you to go here, go to settings, and I want you to go to more settings, and you go where it says mobile network, and you're gonna go where it says access point name. See where it says Net10? Well, you're gonna go menu, you're gonna click menu here and create new APN, and then go ahead and pause my video here. You're gonna copy that exactly what you see, WAP that track phone, and port 80 for your MMS. It's that right there, and port 80, okay, and that's about it. And you're gonna hit the menu button, then hit save, and then make sure you hit the little button over here. Make sure it's highlighted green. Okay, make sure it's highlighted green. Boom. And then you're gonna see a 4G start working. Let's give it a second, and then go ahead and try to send a MMS to yourself or whatnot, and there you go. You have your internet working. So just give me a thumbs up right here on YouTube, or if you have the time, just follow my Facebook page and give me a thumbs up. And I will be making more videos with the about the Samsung Galaxy S3. I'm converting over to an Android now. I'm gonna give the iPhone 4S a break. So yeah. So there you have it. Pause that screen also. So thumbs up on the video.